Hey friends, hope everybody's well. How's it? So on the previous video, you got to see us pack up, clean up, pack up, and move. It was a long drive, not so long drive at the same time, but we made it safely. In this video, you'll see that we got to our storage bin. We had to get a storage bin. We had to stop there first, offload a few goodies, and just keep whatever we wanted to use while we were in the hotel. So it's a short one, a quick one, but I hope you enjoy. Stick around and we'll be recording our stay here. This isn't our final destination, by the way. And the journey continues, friends. We made a pit stop in Pennsylvania. I missed the sign. Jeez, man. I wanted to get the sign, but I missed it. I was busy playing with Gavin. So here we are. This guy has slept for 3 hours. So this is our first stop. Whenever we travel, we try to stop when he's awake. So it's our first stop. Legs off to stretch his legs. And I'm going to take you out and give you a little stretch do. So our trip's not over. We still got a while to go. But we're making good time with our pulling the car back there. Everything looks good. So that's where we are, Pennsylvania. We made it to a storage place, so now we have to offload and... Okay.
And then after you take that blue bag out,
Yeah.
I'll get whatever else is in there so I can get that black.
Okay. I only need the small container in that black bag.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna get to that box. You can keep that blue thing. I just want to get to that box and the black thing with the
Alright, we gotta upload everything! Just Blake and I. And that guy over there. Hey. Hey, are you supervisor? Well, thank goodness for that little chair. So we at this storage place. Blake just ran upstairs to take a couple loads. I mean, so far it's going all right. It's just the two of us loading, floating, rearranging all the things we're gonna have with us in the hotel because we're gonna be staying there for a while. And this car's a mess, and we'll clean it when we get there. All the things we're keeping. So, oh, Blake got this before he left. His unit gave him that. Hey, look at that sweet boy. Hi. What you doing? Hey. Hey, winner. Hey, winner, son. Oh, what you doing? Sitting in the storage parking lot. Oh, goodness. I know. We're gonna be done so soon, my love, and then we're gonna leave, alright? Yes. When your father comes back, we're gonna rearrange this truck, and we're on the way. I know, we said that a few minutes ago. But for real this time, though, okay? Alright, friends. That's where we are with this mess. Hey friends, we've arrived to our home for the next few weeks. So we're getting checked in and we gotta offload what we have left. Oh, it's been So exhausting, but yep, this is where we'll be staying. And we're just gonna get settled in. Friends, we have made it. We are in our room. We're going to be staying here for the next few weeks. It is Homewood Suites by Hilton. So there's a little kitchenette, which is awesome. We can cook our own food, microwave. This is a quick empty tour. Blake is bringing stuff up. This is the lounge. You can do some work there. This is the lounge. I'm assuming this is a pull-out couch, but I'm not sure. And so this is what that looks like. And this is the bedroom. So let's put some lights on. So this is the bedroom. And here's like a little vanity space. The closet. And the bathroom. And we're gonna be here for a little while. Whew. Gotta get offloaded. Somebody's hungry. So yeah. He's so cute. Out on the town. This is where we are. We are at Rockaway. Oh, Town Square. Where you want to go to first, Papa? Looks like I'm just here for the ride. Yeah, we figured we'd venture out for a little bit. We've been in the room, so we'll just take a drive, see what's around. The nice part about that hotel is that it's literally across the street from this strip mall. And look, we got some of our favorites. There's Target down here. There's more shops on the other side. CVS Pharmacy. Let's see. Take your time, Watertown. They are not in. Oh, shoot, wrong way. Okay. It's okay. We can go in this way. I saw somebody go in this way. Can we go in this way? No. Oh, yeah, we can. Look at that. Platinus Fitness. Let's let the people go. Alright, where are we gonna park? Alright, we'll pick you up later, guys. Alright, friends, until next time, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.